Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your school bus service. Suppose as an owner of a school bus service, I use WhatsApp chatbot to send route updates, real-time bus tracking and urgent alert. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When user send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your school bus business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. Simply we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and type I need a bus service. After typing, you will see I am getting a response. Hi, this is SafeSide School Transport, trusted, safe and always connected. I can help you track the bus, get real-time route updates and receive important alerts. What would you like to do? Now we have two options, track the bus, registered for updates. Now simply click on track the bus. After clicking, I am getting another response. Please enter your child's ID and now I am entering ID XYZ. After that, I am getting another message. Now we have an option registered for updates. Simply click on it. After clicking, I am getting a response. Want to receive daily updates and alerts? Please provide child's name. Now I am entering name demo user. After typing name, I am getting another response. Please provide address. Now I am typing Bhopal. After typing address, I am getting another response. Details, child name, address, child ID. Now we have a confirm button. Simply click on it. After clicking, I am getting our last message. Thanks for using SafeRide School Transport. Now you will see I am getting a responses. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options, WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section, we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field, we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we are going to create our new chat flow. So simply click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we will rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your school bus business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. When user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. We can also trigger our chatbot with the help of keywords and template. Now we take text button and write a welcome message on it. In this we also add action buttons, track the bus, register for updates. Now simply connect the flow. Now we take question box. In this box, we ask a ID. Please enter your child's ID and select the contact custom field ID. Also select the format, that is text format. When user click drag the buzz button, then we will send over this message. Now we take text button and write a message on it and simply connect this question box to this message box. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a name from user. Want to receive daily updates and alerts? Please provide child's name. And you will see I am using asterisk sign. Why we use asterisk sign? Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. Now we select the contact custom field, full name. Also select the format, that is text format. And simply connect register for updates button to this question box and save the flow. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now, if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here. I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask an address from user. Please provide address and select the contact custom field address and also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this question box to this question box. Now we take text button and write a message on it. Details, child's name, address, child ID, and you will see I am using $sign. Why we use $sign? $sign is used to customize or replace the data. Now in this we also add confirm button. Confirm and simply connect the question box to this message box. Now we take another text button and write our last message on it and simply connect the confirm button to this message box and save the flow. If you want to increase your chat flow according to your needs, you can easily do. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and type hello. After typing, you will see I am getting a response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any queries, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.